Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Grand Cache Advanced showing a network or connection error even though your Wi-Fi is clearly working for everything else? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings app and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. Then turn it back off. This fully resets your connection and clears a stale session that grand servers can reject even when your internet looks fine. After reconnecting, force close the Grand tab from your recent app list and then reopen it fresh. If the error continues, go to your settings app, then tap Wi-Fi and tap the little eye in a circle next to your network's name, then tap Forget this network. After you do so, reconnect by tapping the network again and entering your password, which clears a broken connection profile. If it still shows the error on Wi-Fi especially, then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to confirm whether the issue is with your specific network. Also, in the settings, go back and go to General. Scroll down and tap VPN and device management and make sure no VPN is turned on, since VPNs frequently trigger false connection errors on financial apps specifically. So all you gotta do is airplane mode reset, forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi and turn off any VPN. The connection error clears, that's it. Subscribe.